Hi there. So, the lock I have today is a Walmart brand Hyper Tough. I think this is a 40 millimeter. I cannot find it on their website anymore. Aluminum body padlock. Um, Almost a padlock. There's, you know, just a few things going for it. One, it is a 5-pin lock. Yeah. Try not to bump the camera. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. It does use the small Yale keyway, so it is kind of pericentric. And it's got a really strong spring on the shackle for such a small lock. That's about it. That's all it's got going for it. I'm assuming these could be overlifted, but because of how tight that keyway is, you can't get a comb pick in there. So that attack probably won't work on this lock. I can feel the spring-loaded pawls in the back of the keyway. I just don't have a knife small enough to pull them down, so I'm assuming this could be bypassed in that manner. It can obviously be shimmed, but we're going to single pin pick it here. And we're open. And that was the slow way in. Lock it back up. I'm going to grab snake rake here. And we're open. Do that again. We can see it is locked. Shackle's locked. Take our rake. Oops. And we're open. So, at the end of the day, I'd really stay away from this lock. I mean, it's a good practice lock, but that's about all it's good for. Pretty much, there's only a couple good locks in this family size of locks. You know, one's made by Abus. That's probably, I think Squire makes one. That's pretty much about it. You'd be better off going with something, I mean, you know, if you want pretty good security, I mean, same size shackle. Go with like a Mako 427 or American 1100, but stay away from these things. That's all I got for today. Thanks for watching.